Matilda. And this is Matilda's mechanical mind. Woo! Woo! And today we are working on this old scooter. So now we have turned it over and let's look at the bearings. Ooh, these bearings are really dirty and dusty and they are very noisy. So now we need to use Allen keys to unscrew the bolts. We need to take the wheel out because we have taken the bolt out.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. So let's put the pieces on the table. What have we got, Matilda?
We have got a bolt.
Which is this piece, yeah.
This piece.
Which we use the 5mm Allen key to take out. We've got two, they're called shims. So they go either side of the bearings to space out the wheel so we don't pinch it. And then this is the other side. This piece goes in the end of that bolt there to hold it all together. Hold, look, you spin that. Very rough. And as you can see, there's a lot of dirt in there. So what we're going to do next is we're going to remove these bearings, Matilda.
Yeah.
And then we're going to get them soaking and try and get them nice and clean.
So now we are unscrewing the bolts.
What are we doing that on, Matilda?
We are doing that on the wheel.
So this is the front wheel, isn't it?
Yeah.
So same size Allen key?
This is the same size Allen key
Yep, as the back.
as the back. And now we are taking the wheel and the bolt or whatever it is out and we are pulling it to the other.
So no shims in the front wheel then, Matilda? No shims, so we've just got the smaller, so we've got the shorter bolt.
Yeah. Doesn't matter the dirty.
So the wheel looks the same.
Yeah. And we have now got the wheel of the scooter, the front and the back. And now we need to take the bearings out. And I'm going to just go in my handy toolbox and get this red one. Okay. Don't know how it goes. How do you do this? Now we have used a pick to get this out. The bearing out. And I had a little bit of help from Daddy. Now we are taking this bearing out.
Sometimes you need a little bit of help from Daddy just to get it started because they're quite stuck in there, aren't they, Matilda?
Yeah. And now we are onto this wheel and we are taking this set of bearings out. There are two of these each on either side.
So we've got two wheels.
So we've got two wheels.
Yep. And then either side of the wheel there is a...
On either side of the wheel there is got a wheel bearing.
So that's what we've taken out.
That's what we're taking out.
And we're now going to do what with them wheel bearings?
Clean them.
That's it.
Now we are going to put the bearings into here and you good, you're good. So we have sprayed some WD-40 in here, and you can already see how much dirt has come off. We are going to leave them overnight to soak. And this is the end of the video, but you need to catch up and see the update another day.
So that's the end of our video for today, isn't it, Matilda?
Yes.
So we've got the bearings in here, soaking them overnight in the WD-40. All the brands are available, and we'll come back maybe tomorrow and
another day.
See how we get on, and then we'll post another video on the next sort of part of the scooter repairs, won't we?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good girl. Say bye-bye.
Bye! Click the like and subscribe button below. Yeah!